Welcome back to S Mobile. Today, we're diving into the latest budget-friendly smartphone from Infinix, the Infinix Smart 9. Let's explore its features, performance, and whether it's worth your money. Design and display. The Infinix Smart 9 sports a sleek and modern design, with a textured back that enhances grip. It features a 6.6-inch HD+ display with a 90Hz refresh rate, offering smoother scrolling and a better viewing experience. The water-drop notch houses the front camera, giving the device a clean look. Performance and software. Under the hood, the Smart 9 is powered by the MediaTek Helio A22 processor, paired with up to 4GB of RAM including virtual RAM expansion and 64GB of internal storage, expandable via microSD. Running on XOS based on Android, the phone provides a smooth user experience with handy features like Smart Panel and Game Mode. Cameras. For photography, the Smart 9 comes with a dual camera setup, featuring a 13-megapixels main sensor and an AI lens. The front houses an 8-megapixel selfie camera with AI beautification, ensuring clear and detailed shots. While it won't compete with flagship devices, it's great for everyday use and social media uploads. Battery and charging. One of the standout features is its 5000 mAh battery, providing all-day power on a single charge. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or streaming, you can expect reliable battery life. However, the 10W charging means it may take some time to fully recharge. Verdict. The Infinix Smart 9 is a solid choice for budget-conscious buyers. With its large display, long battery life, and decent cameras, it's a great option for casual users. If you're looking for an affordable smartphone with essential features, the Smart 9 is definitely worth considering. Outro. That's all for today's review on S Mobile. Let us know your thoughts about the Infinix Smart 9 in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone reviews. See you in the next one.